And we can see, Jason, that those clouds out there in the distance don't look as cool as the ones you just showed, but nonetheless, they are looking a little bit on the impressive side because they are bringing in some tropical moisture as they're making their way ashore. In the Galveston area, for instance, where currently they're sitting at 89 degrees, but not too far away from the Galveston Island area. We're keeping our eyes on that tropical wave, which has a high chance of development in the next 2 to 5 days. Gonzalo is a tropical storm, and it's a strengthening tropical storm where it wants to look to travel to the west over the course of the next several days or so. Now, with regards to the tropical wave outside in the Gulf, the spaghetti models, the various computer models right here, are looking at that system gradually taking its way to a west-northwest direction. Where it makes landfall, still in debate, but definitely where it's going to go, that's not in debate right there. It wants to go right in towards the Texas coastline, and regardless of what it strengthens up to, whether it's a depression or becomes our next tropical storm, in which case it would be named Hanna, it's going to be a big rain threat for us here in the Houston metro area regardless. We have temperatures out there across the board ranging in the mid-80s in many spots. We have a few low 90s out there to the west and a few triple digits when you talked about the heat index, like across from Liberty down towards Galveston and the Angleton area as well. So looking out there for the Gulf, that wave is right about here and it's running into some drier air and it's slowing down a little bit. So hence we're going to be seeing those rain chances diminish a little bit for Thursday's time frame. But as the wave approaches the coastline of Texas, we're going to start to see that tropical moisture surging across our area. And as it makes its landfall eventually just to our south and west, we're still pumping up that moisture right off the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea over this way. Hence the rain chances, we've now had to turn them up going up to Saturday afternoon, Sunday, and even to Monday as well. Looking right here throughout the evening hours, conditions do quiet down across the region with us going in through Thursday starting off. Today looking pretty good. Same thing for the afternoon hours. By the evening hours, the clouds are thickening up. Here comes some light rain pushing on over, and that's from the beginning of the wave's approach. Will be with us for Friday, Saturday, and in through Sunday's time frame as well. And here's some of those rainfall totals from the Euro model showing us from Houston down in towards the coast. Some areas could pick up easily 1 to 3+ inches of rain. Here's looking at your extended 7-day forecast. We're hitting a high of 92 tomorrow, 85 for Friday, where we could be dealing with possibly Hanna. That's going to be around for Saturday, Sunday as well. And going into Monday, we're going to be seeing still those rain chances running rather high. But then, Jason, conditions do gradually improve as we push into next week.